Hey, what is up, guys? It is Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and today we're going to go outside the shop, doors over there, and we're going to go into the yard and look at some outdoor power equipment. Specifically, we're going to look at Ryobi's leaf blowers, and what they've come out with is the Whisper series, which they say is the quietest in the industry. So we're going to put it head to head against a couple other Ryobi leaf blowers and see how it does. So let's take a look. All right, before we go outside and we test these things here, I will say that it's not in a quiet room. You can probably hear birds right now while I'm recording this. Hopefully not. Maybe my editing will take those out. But it's not going to be a perfect test when I hold the decibel meter up to show. Ryobi is saying that's 59 decibels. We're not going to get that because of all the ambient noise. And if you're going to be using a jet blower or a leaf blower, it's not going to be quiet outside anyway, so it doesn't matter, but you will be able to see the difference in the sound and the variation, and to see where the Whisper series ranks with these other Ryobi tools. So speaking of these other Ryobi tools, let's start first with the Whisper series, and I'll tell you about that. It's 40 volt. It comes with this brick of a battery here. This is a 4.0 amp hour battery. It comes with a charger as well. So it's $199 for this kit. It's making me tired already because it's heavy. But like I said, Ryobi says it is the quietest in the industry. 125 mile an hour wind comes out, 550 CFMs, and this is the RY40470. Got to get some better names here for this. But we're going to put it up against two other Ryobis that I have. This is just your basic 18 volt 1+ line from Ryobi. Been using this thing for years. It's a great little leaf blower. 100 mile an hour wind, 280 CFMs, $99 for the bare tool. This is the P21081. Again, great name, but consistent little blower. I love this thing. And then the other one is a bit of an oddball. This thing is part of the Expandit line. It's the axial blower. What it is, the Expandit line is you have a string trimmer, and you can swap heads on it. So you can put this blower on here. You can do your string trimmer. You can do an edger. There's a branch cutter. There's just all kinds of things that you put on. But it is the most cumbersome blower I've ever seen. Like it's like putting a lollipop or a shish kebab like way out there and kind of go like this. It's interesting to say the least. Not my favorite, but this is part of the Expandit line. It's $74 for this. For the expanded attachment, that's $159, but this is also meant to go on any sort of compatible gas or electric trimmer. It does go for other brands, so that is interesting in that aspect. 140 mile an hour wind, 475 CFM. I don't know what to tell you about this. But what we'll do is we'll put these head to head here. Again, I said it's not a perfect environment, but let's check out the video and see what the decibels look like. All right, YouTube, come at me. I know, like I said, it's not totally quiet, and we weren't showing 59 decibels because we're not in a quiet room, but there is a significant difference between the Whisper series and the 18 volt normal 1+ blower and this weird axial blower thing. And what I will say is that the sounds are very different that come out of these. I don't know how well it picks up on audio. The lollipop axial here, kebab, whatever it is, it's such a weird mechanical noise. Also, it's high pitched. And honestly, I'm not going to use this thing. Sorry, Ryobi, but it is such an odd something. Anyway, I mean, the 18 volt one does have more of a high pitch whine as well. It was close to 90 decibels. I think it went over a little bit there, but it's still a good blower. But the Whisper series, honestly, I'm impressed with it, especially if you're on the 40 volt line. I have a couple other tools, the chainsaw and the mower and such. So it is nice to be on the same battery line and get an extra battery with it as well. And it was about 10 decibels quieter. So it is a good blower. I do recommend it. It's at Home Depot for $199 for the kit. So if you like this review, guys, check out other ones I have here. Make sure you subscribe right here to my channel, and maybe check out a video right here of another review. But thanks, guys, and make sure you check out LazyGuyDIY.com.